Hello, friends. A warm welcome from Ask Naheedkhans kitchen. How many of you would like to see right now generation gap? Would you like to see it? Would you like to really have it on the screen right away? Okay. Give me a second to bring it in front of you. Okay. So here it is. So how the generation gap is with this is pizza, homemade pizza, whole wheat. The dough was got the whole wheat one, yeah, and a lot of veggies. But this is pizza, and there are two pizzas because I have a son and I have a daughter, and we are going to enjoy seeing this pizza, right? And now I want to show you Mama's plate. Okay, so this is Mama's plate. Mama had a lot of fruits, whatever she could. That is me, yes. And this is one of my favorite. Yeah, might be your favorite too, some olives, and her favorite too. So this is a experience that there is a gap, and the more the times are changing, the brain is really iPhone 14, I should say, iPhone 14, and we are iPhone 1 2, so we need upgradation and updation. So this is for all parents. However way your children are, it works. You have to create melody out of this generation gap. Yes, and this melody will come at different events, at different emotions, at different frequencies. You all know what I'm talking about. Now this is for all students or all children. However way your parents are, it works. It's fantastic. So let's create that musical dancing and communication melody with parents and students and children, together the parenting bond. I hope this is your share also. And even if your share is different, I'm happy to have your share. And I know how it is being a mother and being a parenting coach. And life is really fun. Life is full of so much excitement and happiness every time. So thank you, everybody. Do share your parenting journey. Thank you.